Hello friends, in today's tutorial we are going to be learning how to make this beautiful and simple flare dress for a 1 to 2 year old baby girl. As usual, this tutorial is going to be very detailed and beginner friendly. If this is something you are interested in, please watch till the end. Do not forget to hit on the subscribe button, like the video, share with your friends, and leave us a comment in the comment section. Grab your fabric, your scissors, thread your sewing machine, and let's get right into the details. So I've cut out my fabric pieces. I have two pieces here. I'll be drafting and cutting out both the front and then the back at the same time. So my fabric measures 22 inches in width, and I also have a fabric length of 22 inches. So the next thing you are going to do is fold the fabric diagonally. So I'm holding the two fabric pieces and then I'll fold it diagonally. So I have the folded end towards this side, and the open sides are towards this side and this side as well. So the first thing we are going to do is we are going to measure 4 inches for the shoulder length from the tip of the fabric downwards. I'm going to go in by 4 inches and then mark that and connect a straight line. So this is going to be my shoulder length for this child. Next, from the shoulder length, go in by 4.5 inches downwards and then mark out your chest line. So rule a straight line across this point to serve as the chest line. Mark out the shoulder length on this chest line as well, that is 4 inches, and connect a straight line from the chest line to touch the shoulder line. Then for the front neck, I'm going to go in by 2 inches for the width of the neck and also 2 inches for the depth of the front. So I'll mark the 2 points and then curve in my front neck. For the back, I'll be going down by 1.5 inches for the depth. Mark that and then draw in your back neck curve as well. On the chest line, I'm going to input 6 inches for my bust measurement. Mark, and then from that point you curve in your armhole. Drop the shoulder by half an inch for the shoulder slope of this dress and connect a straight line to touch the neck. For the full length of this dress, I'm working with 18 inches, so I'm going to mark out 18 inches from the shoulder line downwards and rotate my tape to get the flared hem I desire for this dress. Connect a straight line from the hem to touch the chest line. So we are done. We are going to cut out our fabric piece. I'll be starting off with cutting out the back piece first, and then I would proceed to cut out the front piece as well. After cutting out the back, take out the back piece, so you'll be left with the front piece. Then you cut out the front neckline. So this is the piece for the front, and this is the piece for the back. So I'm going to fold the back into two so I can create the cutout for the back. So fold it into two, make sure they are properly aligned. From the back neck, you mark 3 inches downwards for the cutout, so this dress can be easy to wear for this child. The next thing I'm going to do is to cut this opening. So I'm cutting out up to the 3-inch mark we just made. So this is what I have for the back now. I'm going to use my bias strip of fabric to clean the cutout at the back. So I'm going to stitch this down all round, and then I'll turn it inside and also top stitch to give the back cutout a clean finish. So this is what the back cutout looks like after cleaning it neatly. The next we are going to do is to join the front and the back pieces together on the shoulder line. So I'm going to stitch the shoulder down by 1/2 inch for both sides of the shoulders. After joining the shoulders, we have one piece here. I'm going to clean the neckline with my bias strips that I cut out from the fabric that I'm using for this dress. So I'll use this to clean the neckline, and also I will use the other 2 pieces to clean both armholes of this dress. So clean it, stitch it down, turn it inside out, and then top stitch. So I've done that. The neckline and the armholes are complete now. I also fixed a loop at the back so I can attach my button later on. So this is what the dress looks like at the moment. We are going to set this aside so we can work on the frills at the bottom of the dress. So for the frills, I have 2 strips of fabric here. The length of the strip of fabric is 6 inches, and I have a total width of 47 inches for both pieces. So I'm going to separate the pieces, and then I will draw gathers at the top for both pieces of fabric. So after creating the frills for the bottom, I will then attach it to the hem of my dress. So I have 2 pieces, one for the front and then the other for the back. So I'm going to turn the right side facing the right side of the dress, and then I will stitch it down on the hem of this dress on 1/2 inch stitching allowance. So I'll be repeating same process for the other side of the dress. Turn it right sides facing one another, then you stitch down to complete the frill at the hem of the dress. So when you are done with this, we are going to be stitching the sides of the dress together to complete the dress. So I'll stitch the sides down on 1/2 inch. Then on the hem of the dress, I'm going to fold in 1/4 inch twice to also finish off the hem all around. And we are done with this dress. Very simple, very easy to put together, and I worked with less than 1.5 yards of fabric for this. Feel free to use any fabric of your choice to design this beautiful outfit. Thank you so much for making time to watch this tutorial. I hope you found this helpful and you'll give it a try. Please do not forget to hit on the subscribe button and like our videos. We'll see you in our next tutorial. Thank you for making time to watch this video.